If you want the flavors of Alfredo with the layers of lasagna, you need to make these chicken Alfredo lasagna rolls. Season chicken breast with paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, dried parsley, Cajun spice, lemon juice, avocado oil, salt, and pepper. Massage this all in and then cook the chicken in a heated pan until it takes on some color and is cooked all the way through. Add some sliced cremini mushrooms to the same pan and add in some of the same seasonings and spices used for the chicken. Pour in some lemon juice, and once they're nice and golden, transfer to a plate. For the Alfredo sauce, cook down some yellow onions and minced jalapeno, then add in some butter, minced garlic, and cream cheese. Pour in heavy cream, add paprika, garlic powder, Cajun spice, and let this simmer for a few minutes until thickened. Finish it off with some lemon juice, pecorino romano, and reserve some of the sauce before adding the chicken and mushrooms back in. Pour some of the Alfredo sauce in an oven-safe dish. Then for the lasagna rolls, take some al dente lasagna sheets and spoon in some of the chicken Alfredo mixture. Try to focus most of the chicken chunks in the middle of the sheet, which makes it easier to roll. Lay these in a baking dish side by side, then spread a little more sauce on top. Top it off with some mozzarella cheese, cover it with foil, and bake in the oven for about 12 minutes. Broil for 2 to 4 minutes until it's golden and bubbly on top, and it's ready to enjoy.